Hello, my name is Promporn audchiw. I'm here to talk about what is cause, consequence, and how to prevention of global warming. Do you know what is cause of global warming? The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon. However, the increase in greenhouse gases is linked to human activities. It is just no surprise that the world leading climate scientists believe that human activities are very likely the main cause of global warming since the mid 20th century, mostly because of fossil fuels and deforestation, intensive farming, and waste disposals. Here are some consequences of global warming. Two oceans, because of global warming, permafrost and ice are melting massively at the poles, increasing the sea level at a rate never known before. In our century, the increase reached 18 centimeters, including 6 centimeters in the last 20 years. The worst case scenario is a rise of up to 1 meter by 2100. The acidification of the oceans is also of great concern. In fact, the large amount of carbon dioxide captured by the oceans makes them for acidic, arousing serious questions about the adaptability of seashells or coral reefs to land. The increase of temperature, the climates of river disturb the ecosystems and mainland, modify the conditions and cycle of plants reproduction, uh, the scarcity of resource and climate change are changing life habits and migratory cycles of animals. We are already witnessing the disappearance of many species, including endemic species, or conversely the intrusion of invasive species that threaten crops and other animals. To weather, for decades now, meteorologists and climatologists around the world have been watching the effect of global warming on the weather phenomena, and the impact is here: more droughts and heat waves, more precipitations, more natural disasters like floods, hurricane, storms, and wildfire, fire season, etc. To food, climate-related threats to global food production increase risk to grain, vegetable, and fruit crops, livestock, and fisheries. Human beings are not spared by these upheavals. Climate change is affecting the global economy. It is already shaking up social, health, and geopolitical balance in many parts of the world. The scarcity of the resource like food and energy give rise to new conflicts. To health, as our climate changes, the risk of injury, illness, and death from the resulting heat wave, wildfire, intense storms, and floods rise. Some people are more vulnerable to illness or death. Young children, the elderly, and those who are already ill are less able to withstand high temperature and poor air quality, and wealthy nations are more likely to adapt to projects climate change and recover the climate-related disaster, disaster than poorer countries. Energy and water efficiency producing clean energy is essential, but reducing our consumption of energy and water by using more efficient device is less costly and quality equally important. Sustainable agriculture and forest management encouraging, encouraging better use of natural resources, stopping massive deforestation, as well as making agriculture greener and more efficient, should also be a priority. Responsible consumption and recycling. Adopting the policy responsible consumption habits is crucial, be it regarding food, clothing, cosmetics, or cleaning products. Last but not least, recycling is an absolute necessity for dealing with waste. So, do you already have to save over yet? Thank you. I miss your teacher. I hope to see you again in next our class. Bye bye.